Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Sharma and today we are going to learn how to use Small Basic. So basically it's a tutorial or we can say an introduction to Small Basic, and we are going to learn basic things on Small Basic. Okay, so let's start. So before comes the downloading of the app. So you can see I have opened the app. So before this you have to download it. Let me open the web browser. Okay, so here you have to search small basic. Yeah, and here let it just load. Okay, so you can open a link from which you can download. Okay, let it load. Okay, so it has loaded now, and once you open this website, you can click on the download button and it will automatically download on your desktop or laptop. Okay, so till this, after you download, you have to open Small Basic, which I have already opened. So first thing is Small Basic environment. So Small Basic provides you a simple yet powerful development environment. Let's learn about the Small Basic environment. So this is the title bar. You will not be able to see. Let me just take it a little bit above this. Yes, so this is the title bar. You will be able to see this. This is the title bar. Then this is the editor, which you can see. Here we will write the code, and this is the surface, this is the help area, and this is the toolbar. You can see it. So the title bar, it gives us information about the program in which we are working, and about the editor is the main thing. It is identified as the area where we write our Small Basic programs. When we open a saved program, it will show up in the editor. We can then modify it and save it for later use. We can also open and work with more than one programs at a time. Each program you are working with will be shown in a different editor window. So the editor window that contains the program you are currently working on is known as an active editor window. So if we are writing here some lines like text window dot write line. So if you are writing a line here, for example, if you are writing some code here, for example, I have written text window dot write line and I will write hello world. So if I am writing something on my this editor, then it will be called as an active editor window. So and let me show you how to work on a lot of editors. So you can see here the new button. We can click on new and we can work on another one also, and if we want to work on this, we can click on this, right? So this is how you work on more than one editors. Okay, so now comes the toolbar. It is used to give commands. It contains commands like new, open, save as, and import, and cut, copy, paste, and run. And you will be able to see a lot of commands here, and we can like do anything, almost anything. Yeah, and this was the toolbar, and next comes the help area. When we write a program in the editor here, Then this area displays the tips and hints for the program. Like you will be able to see, I wrote this line, text window dot write line. So it is showing me some hints and what is write line, or everything about the line we are writing. You can see here. So it will give us hints. So if you are new on this what you call small basic, then you will get to understand about this. And next comes the surface, which is the last one. So it's very simple. This is an open area where we can move and organize our editor windows for each small basic program. Yeah, and we can just, as I told you, we can just add new, and here we can just move and organize our editor windows. Okay, now I should close this. Yes, so then comes creating your first small basic program. So let me just remove all this. Okay, yes, so normal small basic program is made up of statements. So like I wrote here, text window dot write line, that is a statement. Okay, so each line of a program represents a statement, and each statement is a command for the computer. So for example, text window dot write line, here I am writing this. So it's a command for the computer. Then computer will do everything as I write on this editor. So by mistake this is closed. Let me just open this. Okay, so yeah, now I have opened this small basic. Yeah, so after that, when we give the command to small basic and execute a program, it reads the first statement. So if I have a statement of a lot of lines, like I have in total of 10 lines, then first it will read the first statement. Okay, so it understands what we are trying to say and then executes our instruction. After executing our first statement, it returns to the program and executes the next line. Like I have some line written in this, so let me just write. So this is our first line. Okay, so and we have a total of 10 lines. Okay, so let me just show you an example. I'll be right back in a moment. Okay, so I have written the code, or we can say the lines. This is not a code. So for example, we have 6 lines in our program. So when we will run the our program, it will first read the first line. Then after executing it, it will read the second line. After executing the second line, it will go to the third line. After executing the third line, it will go to the fourth line. After executing to the fifth line, it will go to the sixth line, and so on. So it depends on the number of lines you have in your program. So it depends on that. Okay, so after executing our first statement, it will go to the second line as said. Okay, then the process continues till it reaches to the end of the program. So here it will this process will continue in our program till it reaches the end of the program, means till the last line. So here we have the last line as the sixth line, so it will stop at the sixth line. Okay, so to uh, make a simple program. If you want to write something in your program, what you have to do is you have to write text window. So the text window provides text related input and output functionalities. For example, using this class, it is possible to write or read some. And yeah, so it is written, it is using this class, it is possible to write or read some text or number to and from the text based text window. Okay, so this is its definition. You can learn it or it's your wish. So the next thing you have to write a line on your program is to write line. WRITELINE. So this is, so let me read the definition of this write line for you. Writes text or number to the text window. A new line character will be appended to the output so that the next time something is written to the text window, it will go in a new line. So this is the definition of this. And after that, what you have to do is you have to make these round brackets and these commas. Just make this, yes, and between this you have to write the line that you want in your program. Okay, so if I want to write subscribe to my channel, okay, I want to write subscribe to my channel, and I don't know why is this getting removed. Okay, so I want this to be written on my program. So now I don't have to do nothing. I just have to click on this button run, or I can just press F5 key on my keyboard. So as you can see, I have clicked F5 key on my keyboard and it is showing subscribe to my channel. Press any key to continue. So you can't press any key to continue. You will have to write anything that you want to write. And so what you have to do next, let me just scroll down. Okay, so I will scroll down the screen for you. So guys, now I have scrolled down. So now you will be able to see this, that here it is showing an end program button. So you can click on this to end the program, or what you can do is you can click any key. You can click shift. No, it will not work with shift. You can press any letter key and it will also work with space key. Okay, so these are the two options which you can work. And there is one more option. What you can do is you can click on here directly. Okay, so this is how we write anything on small basic program. So let us move on the next thing. So before moving to the next thing, there is a tech fact for you, which is in a computer program, punctuation such as a quotation, spaces and parentheses are very significant. They may change the meaning of what is being expressed based on their position and count. So let me explain what is this. So these, are you seeing this brackets and all these things? If you write something without this, like I am writing is equal to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so and after that, if I try to run my program, it will show that sorry, we found some errors. Without these punctuations such as quotations, spaces and parenthesis, the program will not work properly. So this was the tech hint of today. So let's move to the next thing. Okay guys, so here comes the next thing. So the next thing is saving a program. So after writing a program, we must save it to change or run it later. As you know, we make presentations in PowerPoint, or we make a document in Word. We must save it to view it later or do some changes into it. So here also it's same. So here we have to save to run it later or to change it later. So now we will learn how to save it. Okay, so if you are saving the program for the first time, then you have to click on save, or you can click on save as also, it will work. But if you see technically, you should click on save as. Okay, so if I click on save as and click here, then I have a folder which is small basic files. So here you have to write the name on which you want to save it. So I'm writing here channel project. Okay, I have saved it, and now it is showing what is the name and what is its location. Yes, I was not getting the right word. Yes, so it will show the name and the location of this file. And after you save it and you make a change into it, like subscribe to my channel, if I change it, and here I do it like to my video, okay. So if I do something like this and I make a change, then you have to for sure click on the save button, because if I click on this save as button, then it will make, then it if and we rename it from the same name, it will what will it do, it will make another file of another name. Okay, so if you want these changes to be saved on the same file, you have to click on save button. Now it is saved. Now let me just show you small basic files, and here okay, it's not working right now, but yes, you can open it from here. Okay, you can open it from here. That's no problem. If you are working on Windows, then it can work, maybe, I don't know. You can open it from here. Okay, so I have told you the basics. You can just click on save button and it will save the changes in the same file. Okay, and let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing is opening a program. So if you want to open a program which you have made before the program you are making, then what you have to do is simply click on the open button and just choose which file you have to open. Okay, so if I want to open this channel project dot small basic, then I can just click on this and it will like make a different editor window for me, right? So it will just make a different editor window for me on which I can code. And you can I forgot to tell you a thing, that you can increase and decrease the size here like this. I want to increase the size of this like this, yeah, and you can click on those and you can like make multiple programs at single time. So this was opening a program. So let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so now the next thing. So the next thing is sharing a program. So let's say this is my friend screen, okay, and I want to share my program to my another friend which is on the other side of the like earth, yeah. And what I have to do is I have to click on this publish button, and what I have to do is I can just send my friend the code which you are seeing on the screen, or you can share this link. I think you can just share the code for the simplicity, but we are using the link method now. Okay, so first you have to open this link. So for example, this is your friend's screen and he has just opened this link this link. So it also has like how can I say, it also has a advantage, the link method, that you can see the code on the website only. So what you have to do is here you can just copy the code and let's say, let me just close this. Okay, so let's say this is my friend's screen, okay, and my friend wants to open it on his or her screen. So what the friend has to do is he has to click on import. Then this will ask for import a program from the web, and the program will ask for a ID, and you have to enter the same ID which you copied from the website, or you can just see it from there and write it here. So I have pasted the ID here and I can click on OK, and I have imported this website. And here you can make some changes into it also. Yes, here you can make changes also, and it will show the projects, or we can say the programs that you have imported. It is showing here the code and it is showing that it's imported, and here it will show you some stars. I don't know what it stands for, but yeah, it's a very useful thing which is in Small Basic, and you can just simply do anything on Small Basic. I recommend Small Basic if you are beginner in coding. You can just check out Small Basic, it's very good. And yeah, this tutorial ends here, and if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and also like and comment to this video. And yeah, bye bye.